Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You will start by preparing both ends, the form and the Cloud Excel file. Sign in with the same Microsoft account. Make sure your workbook is saved to OneDrive or a SharePoint site so forms can write to it. Once done, open the form, click Responses, and choose the Open in Excel button to create the linked workbook. This action generates a live connection. Make sure you keep the file in the same location so the automatic sync can establish and persist. Next, configure the connection and mapping. When the workbook opens from the Responses button, confirm it's the cloud copy. Copies downloaded locally will break the sync. You'll see columns named after your questions. Rename them carefully only if needed, because Forms maps by header. Once your workbook is the cloud-hosted file, new submissions append as new rows automatically. If you need multiple sheets, create a separate sheet and use Power Query or formulas. Don't move the live responses table. Finish by verifying the flow, submit a test response, and open the cloud-hosted workbook. Refresh the table view and you should see the new row. If updates stop appearing, make sure someone didn't move or download the workbook. Restore the cloud file location and relink via the Form Responses button. If you require conditional actions, notifications, or complex transforms, use Power Automate to create a flow that captures form responses and writes them to any Excel table. This gives more control and reliable automation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.